In the hushed silence of a remote climate monitoring station, nestled far from the clamor of bustling cities, a dedicated team of scientists carries out their daily routines with unwavering precision. Here, surrounded by vast expanses of wilderness, every day begins with the same meticulous tasks: measuring temperature, humidity, and atmospheric composition. The equipment hums softly, a gentle reminder of the continuous work being done to understand the planet's changing climate. Despite the repetitive nature of their duties, each data point collected is a vital piece of a much larger puzzle, contributing to a comprehensive understanding of Earth's complex climate system. It's a serene yet purposeful existence, where the rhythm of the day is dictated by the unwavering commitment to capturing the subtle shifts in our atmosphere. This tranquil setting belies the urgency and significance of the work being conducted. As the scientists meticulously record data, they are acutely aware of the larger implications their findings hold. Each measurement, though seemingly routine, is a thread in the intricate tapestry of climate science. The numbers they gather today might one day unravel the mysteries of tomorrow's climate, guiding us toward a more sustainable future. This dedication to precision and consistency echoes the pioneering work of Charles David Keeling, who decades ago embarked on a similar journey of discovery. His efforts led to the creation of the Keeling curve, a simple yet profound graph that unveiled the steady rise of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, offering the first clear evidence of human impact on global climate. In the quiet persistence of their daily tasks, these scientists honor his legacy, ensuring that every data point is a step toward clarity in the ever-evolving narrative of our planet's climate. The Keeling curve, with its elegant rise and fall like the gentle waves of an endless ocean, stands as a testament to decades of patient observation and recording. Charles David Keeling's work began in the late 1950s, high Mauna Loa in Hawaii, where he meticulously measured carbon dioxide levels with a precision previously unseen. Over time, this steady accumulation of data revealed a troubling upward trend, the curve climbing higher with each passing year. This pattern, now iconic in climate science, provided the first irrefutable evidence that human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, were altering the composition of our atmosphere. The revelation was both profound and unsettling, offering a clear window into the impact of industrialization on our planet. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of climate science, we find ourselves contemplating the intricate web of feedback loops that govern Earth's climate system. These loops, complex interactions between the ocean, atmosphere, ice, and land, can amplify or dampen the effects of climate change. For instance, as polar ice melts, less sunlight is reflected back into space, leading to further warming and more ice melt. A feedback loop that accelerates change. Understanding these systems is a formidable challenge, requiring not only vast amounts of data, but also sophisticated models to predict how these interactions might evolve in the future. The quest to decode these mysteries is ongoing, a journey filled with both uncertainty and discovery, as scientists strive to untangle the threads of cause and effect that define our planet's climate. From the quiet confines of the monitoring station, this knowledge is translated into action, Policymakers around the globe rely on these findings to craft international agreements aimed at mitigating climate change. Each decision, informed by the relentless pursuit of knowledge, carries significant weight, shaping the future of environmental policy and global resilience. As these leaders gather to negotiate and plan, they draw upon the painstakingly gathered evidence, using it as a compass to navigate the complex landscape of climate change. Their efforts, like those of the scientists in the field, are driven by a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet for generations to come. In the corridors of international conferences, the echoes of the remote monitoring station's findings resonate deeply. Here, amid the buzz of conversation and negotiation, policymakers convene with the weight of the world on their shoulders. They sift through reports, graphs, and predictions, each piece of data a testament to the tireless work of scientists stationed in some of the most isolated parts of the planet. These meetings are not merely bureaucratic gatherings, they are pivotal moments that can chart the course for global climate action. The insights drawn from those distant stations help shape treaties and accords, setting targets for carbon emissions and strategies for adaptation that seek to protect vulnerable communities and ecosystems. The process of turning scientific data into policy is as complex as the climate systems it seeks to address. Each decision requires careful consideration, balancing economic, social, and environmental factors. It's a delicate dance, one that demands both vision and pragmatism. The policymakers must consider not only the immediate needs of their nations, but also the long-term health of the planet. In these negotiations, the language of climate science becomes the foundation upon which agreements are built, guiding discussions toward actionable solutions. The goal is to forge a path that curbs emissions, promotes renewable energy, and fosters resilience in the face of inevitable changes. As they deliberate, the policymakers are acutely aware of the urgency underscored by rising CO2 levels and shifting climate patterns. Their task is daunting, yet vital, requiring collaboration and compromise on a scale that transcends borders. Each agreement reached is a step forward, a collective acknowledgement of our shared responsibility to protect the Earth. The data collected at those remote stations serves as both a warning and a beacon of hope, illuminating the path toward a more sustainable future. Together, scientists and policymakers form an alliance, united in their mission to steward our planet through the challenges of climate change, ensuring that the rhythms of nature continue to sustain a life for generations to come. The journey from scientific observation to policy implementation is a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. In this intricate process, the quiet diligence of scientists and the deliberative efforts of policymakers converge to address one of the most pressing issues of our time. With each conference and each piece of legislation, the global community inches closer to a collective response to climate change. This response must be as adaptive and resilient as the very ecosystems it seeks to protect, recognizing both the interconnectedness of natural systems and the diverse needs of human societies. In the midst of these efforts, there is a growing recognition of the importance of inclusivity and equity. The impacts of climate change are not distributed evenly. They often fall hardest on those least equipped to adapt. As such, policies must consider the voices of marginalized communities, indigenous peoples, and developing nations, ensuring that solutions are just and equitable. This approach is essential not only for fairness, but also for the effectiveness of climate action, as it leverages the knowledge and experience of those who live closest to the land. Meanwhile, innovations in technology and science continue to emerge, offering new tools and strategies to combat climate change. Renewable energy sources, carbon capture techniques, and advances in agricultural practices hold promise for reducing emissions and enhancing sustainability. These innovations are part of a broader movement toward a more harmonious relationship with our environment, one that seeks to restore balance and foster resilience. In the end, the work of climate scientists and policymakers is a testament to hope and determination. It is a reminder that while the challenges are immense, our capacity for collaboration and innovation is equally vast. As we look to the future, the data collected from remote corners of the world serves as both a guide and an inspiration. It challenges us to act with urgency and care, to envision a world where the health of our planet is a shared priority, and to build a legacy of stewardship that honors the interconnected nature of all life on Earth. In this delicate dance between observation and action, we find a quiet assurance that, even in the face of uncertainty, each step taken today brings us closer to a world where harmony with our planet is within reach. The gentle hum of the monitoring station, the thoughtful deliberations of policymakers, and the collective will of global communities converge in a shared commitment to nurture and protect our fragile Earth. As we continue this journey together, there is solace in knowing that each effort, no matter how small, contributes to a brighter, more sustainable future for all.